Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of August. And first of all, national news. Noida Supertech Twin Towers demolition. In August last year, the Supreme Court had ordered demolition. Home buyers body FPCE on Sunday termed the demolition of Supertech's Twin Towers in Noida. Anand Sharma questioned electoral roles for Congress president election. Heroin worth 60 lakh recovered on India-Nepal border, 3 arrested, police said. India wants to be self-reliant in energy sector in next 25 years, PM Modi. Amit Shah urged graduating students to work for the betterment of the society and country. And he also urged to preserve their mother tongue. And now some international news. Pakistan foreign ministers called for help amid overwhelming floods. Pakistan is providing airspace for US drones, accuses Afghan minister. China still carrying out military activities around island, Taiwan said. 20-year-old Miss England finalist made history as pageant's first makeup-free contestant. Millions affected in Pakistan's Sindh as Indus tributaries burst banks. China said it is monitoring US Navy in Taiwan Strait. And now some sports news. AIFF elections, Baichung Bhutia alleged political pressure behind Sikkim Football Association not backing him. Red Bull's Max Verstappen extended his lead in the Formula One World Championships with a crushing victory in the Belgian Grand Prix on Sunday. Mohan Bagan registered a 1-0 win over East Bengal on Sunday. And now some news related to business. Forex reserve slumped to over 2-year low as RBI defended rupee to below 80. Meta's Facebook agreed to settle 4-year-old data privacy lawsuit. Global stocks slide, dollar rampant as Fed's Powell spooks markets. Maruti Suzuki marked 40 years. PM Modi lays foundation stone of 2 new facilities in Gujarat, Haryana. The telecom minister has announced that the 5G services should be launched by October 12. And now let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 29th of August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 36 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.